Paano mag-create ng free na link para your clients can book a call with you for your freelancing business. This would be helpful, lalo na pagka marami na kayong kuha na inbound clients. It actually makes you look professional kapag ka meron ka ng isang link for people to book a one-on-one meeting with you. It's convenient, it's time-saving. I think nakakatulong din ito sa pag-improve ng communication. It's pretty flexible. Siyang i-adjust in such a way na magmamatch yung schedule mo or yun lang time na gusto mong mag-work. And again, free lang ito. So, panoorin nyo hanggang sa huli. Tanging kailangan nyo lang dito ay Gmail. Tapos, para makapag-create kayo, make sure na Chrome ang ginagamit ninyo na browser. So, open lang kayo ng Google Chrome. Pagkatapos, i-click nyo itong waffle icon dito sa taas. Itong 9 na dots na to, pack, and then click on calendar. Upper left side, click nyo lang create, and then appointment schedule. If you want further tutorial, you can click on take a tour. But since familiar naman na ako dito, all I have to do is, number 1, create a title. So, sasabihin ko na lang dito, one-on-one. Next, yung gaano katagal yung meeting. So, I would say 45 minutes. Tapos, mag-schedule ka na lang ng time na pwedeng mag-book sa'yo. So, for example, for the purpose of this tutorial, sabihin ko na lang available ako between 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. And I wanna copy to all time, Mondays through Fridays. Actually, alam mo, ayokong mag-book ng Friday. So, tanggalin natin yung Friday. And then, schedule window, they can schedule 60 days in advance up to 4 hours before. So, babaguhin ko to kasi ayoko nang may magi-schedule on the same day. So, lalagay ko 24 hours before. And then, book appointment buffer time. Gusto ko sana magkaroon ng at least 15 minutes na buffer per booking. And then, wala naman akong limit kung ilan yung kasya, ilaban lang. I think that is pretty much it. Add a co-host, ilalagay ko dito yung sarili ko. So anyway, after that, I click on next. And then, booking page, photo, and name. Sige, pwede nyo baguhin yan kung gusto nyong ilagay. Location and conference. I want it to create a specific Google Meet link. And then, pwede kayo maglagay ng description dito. So, kayo nang bahala mag-ano dyan. Sa booking form, first name, last name, email, address. Pwede rin kayong mag-add pa ng ibang items kung anong gusto nyong ilagay dito na custom item. And then, kung may kailangan kayong singilin, kailangan lang nakakonect siya sa Stripe ninyo. After that, click on save. And there you go. Pwede nyo nang i-share tong link na to sa kung sino man yung gusto ninyong pagsandan. Pwede nyo rin i-click itong share na to para naman yun ang ilagay ninyo sa email signature nyo. Super easy, libre, pwede ninyong pagpraktisan kahit wala pa kayong ina-expect ng mga client meetings or appointments. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!